Healthier frying. This air fryer makes healthy fried foods a reality. Temperature ranges from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to cook at your desired temperature, achieving a healthy, crispy, fried finish using at least 98% less oil than traditional fryers. Air fry vegetables, pizza, frozen foods and leftovers. This air fryer evenly crisps every inch of your food. Space-saving basket. A sleek, rounded shape and matte black finish earns this air fryer a prime spot on countertops, all while remaining compact and easy to store. The 2-in-1 tank basket allows for maximum capacity with a small footprint, saving space on your counter and in your cabinet, perfect for any small kitchen, dorm, office, RV trips, and more. Achieve the deep-fried flavor you love, without all the oil and added calories. The CHEFMAN Turbo Fry Air Fryer allows you to bake, fry and roast like a pro. This air fryer requires little to no oil, so there's less of that fried oil smell lingering in the house and less fat that you're consuming. Its large 3.6-quart capacity and flat basket gives you the ability to cook enough for a hungry crowd all at once. Skip the microwave. Reheat soggy leftovers in the air fryer to return them to their original texture. Make better-for-you fries that are just as crispy and tasty, roast chicken thighs, or heat up leftovers for a quick and easy meal. The temperature control with 60-minute timer automatically shuts off once food is done, so you never have to worry about burning or drying out your food. Its space-saving basket is removable and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, so you'll have more time to dream up your next air-fried meal. Top reviews from the United States. Great air fryer for one. Super glad I picked up this air fryer. It's small, which is what I was looking for. It's perfect for me because I only cook for myself. I've made home fries from scratch, frozen pizza, grilled cheese sandwiches, even cookies from refrigerated dough. It has worked great for everything, and I think because it's small, it's excellent at both heating up and maintaining the heat. I really don't have many complaints. The middle part of the tray has started stripping a little on mine, but it's a super minor issue for me. Easy to clean, too. I love this air fryer.